Welcome to the channel. All right, we have an Asus Chromebook C202S. So that's the VGA port and the USB. So we are looking for the charging port. All right, I believe it will be in this other side. Okay, this is the charging port, and here we have USB. Okay, so we want to install a Windows on this Chromebook. All right, so let's start. All right, you can see it's on Chrome OS already. Okay, so you know the procedure. We have to first of all remove the protection right. Before then, let's charge it so that you see it's charging. All right, we off it. Okay, so what we need to do next is to lose back the system and take off the protection right. So after doing this, taking off the protection right, then we have to get to developer mode. After getting to the developer mode, we have to find a way to create our password. After creating password, then we go to the Mr. Chromebook site to do the needful. All right, so as you can see, we are losing out the board. Okay, we take our time to take it out. You have to do this gently. Do this gently so that you may not scratch, and you must use an object that is flat enough. Like this, my flat screwdriver is flat enough so that it will enter that place very well. Okay, we are off. Okay, then what we need to take is just the protection right. So we have to first see how to do that. Let's shut down the system to avoid misbridging or anything happens. Okay, that's the protection right, so we have to take it off. Okay, this is not the one that has a Type-C. Type-C Chromebooks is the one you have to disable the battery. Okay, this one you have to disable the screw, which is the protection right. You don't have to do that on system that have Type-C. Okay, so we begin. Escape, refresh, and power button together. Okay, this Asus Chromebook is off. Let's plug the charger again. Escape, refresh button. Okay, we get there. Control D. All right, and enter. We have off the verification mode now. Okay, so now we have to Control D again to get to the developer mode. All right, it's transiting to the developer mode now. So after this step, we know usual when it loads to the developer mode, we have to put our details, which is our window, our email, and our password. After putting in our password, then we don't fail that you have to connect to a good internet. Always note that in this process you must have a good internet, okay, that can get you what you need. Okay, so you can see I've connected to my phone. All right, so it's loading. We accept this and waiting for these updates. So wait for it to finish. Then we have to wait. Then we have to put our email. Then after putting our email, then our password. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, choose you next on this. Okay, it's not a child that is using it. Actually, it's a client system. So put in our email. So After this, your password. Okay, like I did a mistake there. Okay, okay, yeah, the password. So this process, if you have been following up my video, you know this process. It's kind of very simple. So we do the necessary setup, then we get to the desktop, then we create our password as usual. I got a question. Someone asked me, I think I can't remember about the country the person is from, is asking if it's necessary to create your root password admin. Okay, let's just do this process. Alright, we type in the code Chromebook, then we put in our password admin. Okay, someone was asking if this password is necessary before you can create your you can insert your Windows, your firmware, your new firmware, sorry. I told him yes, it's very necessary, you need to do that. Yeah, the next step which we are seeing is going to the Mr. Chromebox and click on that firmware utility. Okay, the Control-Alt-T which I just did is just for the terminal to type in shell. Okay, so now I have to copy this my code and go to the terminal back. That's what I have to do now. So let's try and copy it now. Okay, so copy it, then we paste and enter. The process is going to load, and this process you must have a good internet. Okay, except you receive an error message. You must have a good internet. Okay, we have another video that is coming in. Okay, perhaps either this week or next week. Alright, it's an HP Chromebook 14A/N, I think N something, I can't remember the full model number, but I'll show you the process of how to install Windows 10 on it, because that process is different from this other process. Okay, it's not the BIOS the BIOS reprogramming. Okay, this is going to be a very different method, and you're going to learn a lot from it. Those that have that same kind of Chromebook would have been having difficulty, maybe similar Chromebook like having difficulty. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be very simple for you, and it happens in the Chrome OS, the latest Chrome OS. Okay, so let's back up our firmware of Chrome firmware with the flash. Okay, let's insert it. Okay, yeah, I think it has backed up. Okay, now it's downloading the new firmware. What we need to do is just to wait for a while for it to load. Okay, it's almost done downloading, so we are almost done inserting the new firmware. Okay, so after this, the next step for us to do is to restart the Chromebook, sorry. After restarting it, the new firmware will load. After loading, then we put our flash, our bootable flash, and we install Windows on it. Okay, on this process you can also install Ubuntu software, which is Linux software you can install on this firmware now. Okay, so we have to plug our flash drive now. Okay, I know if you are eager to know how to install Linux on the Chromebook like this, please tell me. you can drop a comment on my session that you need a video like that. I will do it. Okay, I will do a video like that for you guys. All right, someone was asking me for HP 14G3 to do a video concerning it. Okay, HP 14G3 Chromebooks are Chromebooks that are using ARM processors, like 32 gig processors. So it doesn't support this new firmware. This new firmware only supports 64 bits firmwares. Only 64 bits Chromebook. If your Chromebook is not up to 64 bits, it doesn't support it and it will not work. So that is why you can't load Windows on HP 14G3, because it is a 32-bit operating system it uses. So you can only use Chrome OS on that Chromebook. Alright, so if you got it, I'll find a way to sell it, because you can put Windows on it, except you love Chrome OS. Or you can upgrade it to Chrome OS Flex. Okay, I think I'll still do a video on that, on how to install Chrome OS Flex, Chrome OS, normal Chrome OS. I still have long videos to do for you guys. I'm here with you. I will try my best to do my possible best to satisfy you. Okay, so you can see that we are almost done. We have to put our name here. Alright, I have to just cut down the video to not waste much of our time, because all this process those that have been following me up knows about, and they know it. Okay, so after this it gets to the desktop, then we have to see how to put in the drivers. I'm very sorry that I have not been putting my drivers. I will try to update most of my videos. I have not put my drivers. I will put them there. Alright, on the description of the video, you just check the description, you see the drivers as the link, and you go and download the necessary one you need. If you are using the same Chromebook I'm doing, alright, it's the same drivers. You use it, it will work. Okay, this is for the mouse, and the mouse is working. Okay, and I have for the sound also. The sound is going to work also. Please, if this video is helpful, please do well to subscribe, like, and share my videos to those that need it. Alright, please do not fail to share it. And I want to appreciate everyone that is subscribing. I want to appreciate everyone that is supporting me. Thank you for watching this video.